Okay, smoke detector across from the hall bath in that bedroom. Smoke detector in the back left bedroom. Smoke detector in the master. None in the hallway here. And inspection report mentioned removing the CO detector, this detector from the living room into the hallway. But that was not done. See, there's no detector in here anymore. Maybe it was just thrown away or something. And here's the kitchen. There's no detector in here. Here's the dining. There's no detector in here. So, and here's the family. There's no detector in here. So we need a CO detector for sure.